Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your BMW M5. First, make sure your engine is fully warmed up to its optimal operating temperature. Next, navigate through your iDrive system to select Sport Plus mode for both the engine and transmission settings. This optimizes performance for a powerful start. Finally, fully deactivate the dynamic stability control by holding down the DSC button for a few seconds. This allows for maximum wheel spin and acceleration. With your settings configured, it's time to engage launch control. Firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, ensuring it's fully depressed. Simultaneously, push the accelerator pedal all the way down, past the kickdown point. You'll feel a slight resistance, then the engine will rev to its optimal launch RPM. Look for a checkered flag icon to illuminate on your instrument cluster, confirming launch control is active. Once the checkered flag appears, you're ready for the launch. Release the brake pedal quickly and smoothly, but without jerking. Keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed. The car's sophisticated system will manage the clutch engagement and gear shifts automatically, providing a seamless and incredibly fast acceleration. Hold on tight and enjoy the exhilarating power of your M5 as it rockets forward. After experiencing the incredible launch, it's a good practice to allow your engine and transmission a few moments to cool down, especially if you plan multiple launches. Remember to reactivate your dynamic stability control for normal driving conditions to ensure safety and stability. Also, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below. You'll find that link and other great deals there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.